Indonesia, the world's largest archipelago. Indonesia, with its thousands of islands, is a fascinating destination for expats looking for adventure, business opportunities, or a tranquil lifestyle. Whether you're drawn to Bali's beaches or Jakarta's business hub, Indonesia has a diverse range of experiences to offer. Cost of living. Monthly expenses range from Indonesian rupiah 10 million to 20 million, USD 650 to 1,300. Utilities cost approximately Indonesian rupiah 1 million to 2 million, USD 65 to 130 per month. Rent prices. A one-bedroom apartment in Jakarta ranges from Indonesian rupiah 6 million to 12 million, USD 400 to 800 per month. In Bali, you can rent a villa or apartment starting at Indonesian rupiah 5 million, USD 325 per month. Job opportunities. Key industries include tourism, manufacturing, and teaching. Bali's growing digital nomad scene attracts freelancers and entrepreneurs from around the world. Minimum financial commitment. You'll need around Indonesian rupiah 50 million, USD 3,200 to cover initial expenses. Residency and citizenship. Residency, available through work or investment visas, with retirement visas also an option for those over 55. Citizenship, rarely granted, usually only after extended residence and marriage to an Indonesian national. How A-Land can help. A-Land partners with top legal experts in Indonesia to assist with visa applications, real estate investments, and business setups.